Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be on District. So we have had quite a bit of consolidation downwards. So I do possibly see us hitting maybe this 23 area before fully shooting up, guys. I do see this as a possibility of reversing during the middle of the month, especially with the stimulus checks. This is probably one of the cheapest projects right now on Coinbase. Best believe people are just going to flood Coinbase with their checks, with their tax returns. So this actually may be a very exciting time for District. We've had quite a few days of consolidation. A lot of people are starting to kind of give up, unfortunately, on the project. But as we've seen before, once people give up on projects, that's when the markets move. So sit tight. Don't be scared, guys. Just hold the bag. And right now, we do see District over the 50 RSI at this moment. I do see a possibility of a inverted starting to set up here. If it does kiss this little area here and take off, that would be ideal and bounce off this little trend line. So we'll see how this plays out. Overall, again, I'm very bullish in this market. I do believe that this year is going to be a crazy year for crypto in general. So this should continue to run. The previous high of District was at this area here. So this should continue to move. We still haven't hit this high yet. So really, it should be at about 41 and change. Yeah, 51 right here. Perfect. So this should continue running. They failed to hit that high already. So we'll see how this plays out. But overall, I see this as a reset in the market. This section here was a reset that happened. So to me, this is just going to continue moving up, possible. Like there's some type of behavior this way, but overall, I think this is going to continue rising and just run through this 50 area, this 51 area on Coinbase. It shows about 41-ish. So I do see them running to this 50 area, just running through that to take out all these stops that are sitting up here. This is money that's just been sitting for quite some time now, for over 3 years now. So it's time. Market moves in threes. Market is cyclical. It does the same thing over and over and over. Human psychology works in patterns of threes. So that's why the market moves in threes. Okay. So once you understand that human psychology in the market goes through resets and price resets, then from there is when people start to jump back in. They start to ride the wave. But the reset is where you want to see where that price movement is going to happen. That's usually something that'll indicate a pullback. So, guys, if you found this information useful, make sure to smash that subscribe button, tell a friend, like, share, comment. We've had phenomenal growth within the last month. I appreciate every single person that has been submitting a request, guys. You know, it really is awesome that I'm helping so many people and so many people are helping each other, guys. So if you need anything at all, make sure to drop those requests in the comments, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.